This is a line climb production.
I know you had to make a crucial decision. Bad thing is, you ended up in prison. Tried to escape from the popo, epic fail. You spending all your time, I ain't paying bail. Do that nasty stuff, all them drugs. Taking prison photos, also known as mugs. Mugshots, actually. Yeah. It's a good thing you didn't overdose, you could've died. Eating that nasty prison food, I eat all my stuff fried. Ha! Yeah. Mommy's been through a lot, actually 2 other guys. Yeah. Been through a lot. Yeah. Said you would stop doing drugs, lies. But you still my daddy. Just you don't eat too much, you little fatty. That's okay, this I'm done. Walk away with all my swag. Yeah, son. It's a really short song. I might make another one before long. But this is one for you, daddy, and for you, C-Flip. Word up, swag, 'cause I'm swag. Yeah, this is Brendan Block with another awesome song.